Quantify Search and Replay is used to search, retrieve and replay recorded communications from your Redbox recorder. If you have replay permissions, then you can access Search and Replay. To do a basic search and replay, first log in to Quantify with a user account that has replay permissions. Account setup and replay permissions are configured by your system administrator, so see them for help if you get stuck. Okay, back to Quantify. As you can see, my login has automatically taken me to the Search and Replay application. If a different default application has been set up on your login, just roll over the Quantify main menu and select the Search and Replay icon. To do a basic search, just select a date range using the calendar. I'm going to select from January 1st 2016 to June 30th 2016. To save time, you can use a quick pick option instead. Just click the lightning bolt icon and select one of the options, like last week or last month. So to perform the search, click the Start Search button. All communications matching the search criteria are now displayed in the search results section. In this case, all recorded communications from January 1st 2016 to June 30th 2016 that you have replay permissions for. To replay an item, just highlight the item and click the play button, or just double click the item. I'm going to double click a call here. The media player is now displayed at the bottom of the screen. Just like any standard media player, use the play, pause, forward and back buttons to control playback. The media player offers a lot of other functions too, but they're covered in a separate e-learning video. Now that we've done a basic search, let's take a quick look at a more advanced search. The search criteria section is where you define your search. In our basic search, we just used a date range, which gives a lot of results. But you can add additional criteria here to refine your search further. Click the Add Criteria button and then select the criteria from the list of fields. These fields are the additional data or metadata stored along with your recorded communications. Just as an example, we'll select call duration and channel name from the list, and then enter the data to search for. So Adam Smith as the channel name and calls longer than 1 minute for the duration. Click Start Search and the results are now far more targeted. Just one more thing to mention about call playback. So far we've only looked at a voice call, but when you replay any communication, so a voice call, video call, IM conversation or screen recording, the appropriate player will be automatically displayed by the Search and Replay application. For a voice call, that's the integrated media player we've already used. For a video call player pop-up is displayed. For an IM conversation, a conversation viewer pop-up is displayed. For screen recordings, the voice part is played via the media player and the screen capture part is played via an additional pop-up. Please remember though that video, IM and screen recording are all optional features and may not be implemented on your particular installation. So that's a quick-ish introduction to basic search and replay actions. Check out the Redbox quick question topics and e-learning videos for more information on search and replay and the rest of the Quantify product suite.